Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to animate texts in different animations in Canva, step by step. This is perfect if you're creating presentations, social media posts, videos, or any kind of visual content, and you want your text to look more engaging and dynamic. Whether you're promoting a product on your Shopify store, crafting an eye-catching post for Instagram, or creating a sleek video intro, adding animations to your text is a game changer. Canva makes text animation extremely easy, even if you're a complete beginner. You don't need to be a design expert to create professional-looking results. Before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips, tutorials, and easy design guides. We've got tons of tutorials that will help you level up your design skills in no time, so don't miss out. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Make sure you're logged into your Canva account. If you don't have one yet, creating an account is free and easy. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Canva home screen, where you can see your recent designs, templates, and projects. This is your Canva dashboard, where all your design creations live. From here, click on any file of your choice. This can be a presentation, a social media post, a video design, or even a blank canvas. For this tutorial, any design that contains text will work, whether you're starting fresh or editing an existing piece. Once your design opens, look for the specific text that you want to animate. Click directly on that text so it becomes selected. You'll know it's selected when you see the text box outline and editing options appear around it. It's a simple but important step to ensure you're animating the correct text element. With the text selected, move to the top toolbar and click on the Animate button. This will open Canva's animation panel, where you'll see different animation styles specifically designed for text. Canva offers a variety of animations to choose from, ranging from subtle fades to dynamic entrances. Now, click on the option that says Appear on Click. This is very useful if you're working on presentations or videos and you want the text to animate one by one instead of all at once. For example, if you're making a product video for your Shopify store and want each feature to appear separately, Appear on Click will help you control the pacing and make it more engaging for your audience. After enabling Appear on Click, you'll see a list of animation styles. These options include fades, slides, and bounces, and you can preview them before applying. Click on any animation you like. Canva will instantly apply that animation to the selected text, and you'll see a preview of how it moves, fades, or pops onto the screen. Take your time here and test different animations until you find one that matches your style. If you're creating a fun, energetic ad, go for a bold animation like bounce or pop. If you're designing a more formal presentation or a subtle social media post, consider animations like fade or rise. Next, click on another text element in your design. This allows you to apply a completely different animation to a second piece of text. Maybe you want your headline to pop up with one animation and your call to action text to appear with a more subtle effect. Once again, with the new text selected, click on Animate from the top toolbar. Choose Appear on Click again, so this text animates separately from the first one. Now, select a different animation for the second text. This is how you can mix and match multiple text animations within the same design to create a more dynamic and professional look. You can repeat this process for as many text elements as you want, applying different animations to headlines, subheadings, or call to action text. For example, you might want your headline to fade in while your subheading slides up to add a nice contrast. The ability to use multiple animations on the same design gives you full creative control and allows you to create more sophisticated content. Once you've animated all your text, click on the Preview button. This allows you to watch how all the animations play together in real time. It's always a good idea to review everything before finalizing your design. Check the timing, flow, and overall feel of the animations. Are they too fast? Do they flow well together? Does one animation overshadow the others? Make adjustments if needed. Sometimes, a small tweak in timing can make a huge difference in how polished your design looks.
And that's it. You've successfully animated different texts with different animations in Canva. This simple technique can make a huge difference in how polished and engaging your designs look. Whether you're working on a Shopify store product video, a promotional social media post, or an exciting YouTube thumbnail, animated text can add that extra layer of professionalism and excitement. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva tutorials. Canva is such a powerful tool, and I can't wait to share more tips and tricks with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.